open command prompt. I could spell. And then what you want assistant to say afterwards, I opened command prompt for you. And then we're going to create the trigger. Then we click that. Then we search up webhooks. Click webhooks. Click make a web request. I forgot to say that before you can use the Google Assistant say simple phrase, you might need to connect your Google account, which has Google Assistant on it. So after this, we're going to need URL. So we're going to stop here, and we're going to go to discord.com. We're going to open browser. And now we're going to create a brand new server. We're going to just call it webhooks. From here, then we can go to edit channel, integrations, create webhook, and we're going to name this webhook Google Assistant. And we're going to copy this URL. So after you copied that, you can just go back to your IFTTT and paste that URL right there. And we're going to say post application JSON, and you're going to put content, and then we're going to put, we're just going to put OpenCMD. Now you can put whatever you want here. We're just going to send a simple message saying OpenCMD, and we're going to create this action. Let it load. Click finish. Great, it worked. First, I'm going to disconnect and reconnect it, since I usually have problems with it first time. So connect it. Gotta move my Google over here, and after that's done, you can say, "Hey Google, open command prompt."
On the website Digital Citizen,
No.
Life, they say.
Hey Google, open command prompt.
I opened command prompt for you.
Okay, that worked. And now we can see it says open CMD. Great, it works. Now we need to make the Discord bot that will take this in and trigger a command on our computer. So first we're going to go to discord.com/developers. We're going to go to applications, and we're going to click new applications. We're going to name this webhook bot. And then we are going to go to bot, add bot, yes, do it. We are going to copy this token since we are going to need it. And then we're going to go to OAuth 2, bot, click administrator since it's a private bot, and go to this web address. And here it is. We are going to invite this to our webhook server, and we're going to click continue. Authorize. I am not a robot. And there it is. Welcome webhook bot. It's in here, but it's offline, so can't do anything just yet. So now I am going to go over here. I am going to make a new text file. You can make a full-on project with the virtual environment, but I'm just going to use a text file. I'm going to name it webhooks.py. And I'm just going to use idle. So now we have our Python file. First thing we are going to need is discord.py. So we're going to do pip install u discord.py, and you should install it. I already have it installed, so that's fine. We can just exit out of here and put this back. And then we're going to do import OS because we need OS to do the command prompt things in a subshell and execute code or commands such as opening or command prompt. And then we're gonna need Discord Pi. Then we are gonna make a new class. We're gonna call it just my client. We could name it. We could name it webhooks. And we are gonna inherit from discord.client. Then we're gonna do async def on ready, which means when the bot is ready, we will execute this code right here. We're just gonna put bot is online, period. And then we're gonna do async def on message. So whenever a message is sent in a server where the bot can see it, it's gonna turn into this message variable. And we are gonna put content equals message dot content. So now we're gonna do if content is equal to, let's see, what did we set it to here? Open CMD. So open CMD. We're gonna do os.system and we're gonna do cmd.exe. Great, you can add more commands, but that's it for now. We are gonna create an instance, so client equals webhooks. Then we're gonna do client.run, and you're gonna need that token from earlier. So token equals your string, and then we're gonna put token. Great. We can see if I've done this right. I forgot a colon here. Can run module. I forgot another colon. And then now we can see both no module named discord.py. Great. Oh, I made a mistake. It's not called discord.py, it's just Discord. Well, that's a big brain moment. So as you can see, our bot's online and it prints bot is online. So if we did this correctly, we can say, hey Google, open command prompt.
I open command prompt for you.
And we can see it will send a webhook. Let's try this again. Hey Google, open command prompt.
I open command prompt for you.
Oh, there we go. Finally works. There we go. And it opened. Oh, opened twice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can do your own things, such as open a YouTube video. I've done this before, but it's kind of complicated. You're going to need web scraping, beautiful soup, and you need to do stuff. So it's pretty complicated, but you can do pretty much anything you can think of. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can subscribe, but that's your choice. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hey Google, shut down my computer.
I shut off your computer.